girls with their nails done now.
This biker was speeding and got pulled over by rude state trooper.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Man, let's see your driver's license.
How you doing?
Better than you.
I don't.
License.
Oh, yeah.
I guess I don't need to tell you why I'm stopping you, huh?
I'm not sure. I was just listening to music. What did I do?
I really can't understand you, man, so I'll just write you a ticket. You can read it at your leisure.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry, bro. I'm just doing my job. I don't pay the ticket, you do. You're not that concerned about us. You take your helmet off and talk to me, so.
Oh no, you want me to take it off?
It's up to you.
I've been pulled over
just
before.
write
I'm
you a ticket,
just.
man. Alright, sir, just got the citation for the speed. Get a few options. You want to pay it off, you can. It's $256. You can elect a court date within 30 days by contacting the Rural County Courthouse in Key West. Or you can elect a fixed driver school that keeps the nasty 4 points on. That's right.
All right.
Slow it down for me, okay? Take care of yourself.
What? Okay. Have a good day. Bye-bye.
This highly tuned 50cc caught the attention of the cops. Let's see how this chase unfolds. He better make sure the cops won't chase him if he does the wheelie.
How you doing today, ma'am? I just want to ask you a quick question.
What's up?
So, I've been asking around, and people have been like basically telling me they wanted to know the same thing. Do police officers here chase bikes?
It depends on the seriousness of whatever is going on. If it's reckless driving, if it, committed a serious offense, different agencies have different policies.
Okay.
So it's hard to say yes or no.
Gotcha.
Yeah, it all depends on the agency's policies and the severity of what's going on.
Gotcha. So like if you seen that red bike do a wheelie around your car, would you come chase me?
Well, I can't answer that. It depends on the safety of everybody else.
Yes, ma'am.
It is a criminal offense.
Yeah.
So.
Yes, ma'am.
What if all day?
Okay, I got you. Last question. Do you guys really think you're gonna catch the bikes when you chase them?
Oh, hell no, man.
I can't say for anybody else. else. I haven't chased a motorcycle personally.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know. I know it's not safe for anybody, even including the motorcyclists.
Yeah, it's not. Yes, ma'am. But thank you for everything you do. Oh, yeah.
Loud and obnoxious.
Exactly, see? But thank you for everything you do, man.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Talk about a bad day for this biker. Nothing went his way.
Oh my God. Sick. Fuck. Oh my fucking God.
Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hi. License, registration, insurance, please.
Yep. It's in the...
Yeah,
there.
go ahead. You know why I'm stopping you? You don't?
I do.
Okay. Stunting, right?
It's just stupid.
Yeah, you shouldn't be stunting. The reason is for not just you,
I know, for other
safety
people.
of everyone around you, right?
I know, sir. Just had a very stressful day and I thought I'll just go for a rip, but...
No, fair enough. I do understand, you know, everyone has their own way of getting rid of frustration, but I don't want to see that
Yeah.
hurting someone else, right?
Yeah.
So that would be considered stunting under the Traffic Safety Act, right?
Yeah.
So, and I was, honestly, I saw it on White Ave and I was just gonna ignore it, and then I saw it down here again, so I thought, well,
It was a Jeep?
if it's gonna keep going, then...
It was a Jeep the Jeep behind me?
No, it was me.
No, the Jeep, the car which was behind me, they were like, oh, you know what, show us. I'm like, it was just
Oh,
stupid.
they asked you.
Yeah.
I see.
Twice. I'm like, no, I'm like, okay, whatever.
Yeah.
Oh,
Don't
there.
always listen to people.
No, I don't.
They're not the ones getting stopped right now, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
I'm actually at work right now. I had a half an hour break, so I just thought I'll go for a little.
And then you get to spend it with me. Lovely, hey?
It's just. Yeah, it's unlucky day. But
What's this?
Gixxer 750.
This is this one here?
The VIN number
Yours.
is right there.
Okay. Yeah, I just want to make sure you have
Yeah,
that.
that's the one.
You seem reasonable. Probably made a bad decision. Sounds like two bad decisions.
Too bad. That's a bad week. I got denied my mortgage for a house. I was just.
Fair enough.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
You know what? We all have bad days, I'll give you that. But I just don't want to see it getting someone hurt or someone killed. Especially on this, and I'm sure maybe you think you're in control, but we see it all. And I'm not telling you this by just as stories, but we do more often than not see these highlights come on our screen, on our computers, where someone died of a motorcycle collision because of bad decisions. I don't want that to be. I don't want to scrape you off the floor with a shovel.
Totally
right?
hear you, sir. I see it every day. I know. But
Okay.
It's just stupid of me.
You've been respectful. This might have been different if you were.
No, I know it's
but
my
you've been very
fault.
respectful, and just give me a warning today. Carry on.
Thank
Do
you,
it
sir.
safer, please.
I'm sorry.
Okay.
Thank you.
Have a good night.
You too.
A biker pushed the speed limit, and you already know the cops won't let that slide.
Okay, Romeo 620 Charlie Victor Whiskey. Trying to come over at night and there.
Boundary Street at Leyland in the Lance area. Insurance held details due T95 and further expiry date 2015 contact Charlie.
Most of units towards a different outpost is failing to stop and heading towards Blacksmith roundabout. Stand by. Turn it off. Can I have a unit to go after?
Just go past those, by that speed.
Can I go past, please? He's messing about. He's still failing to stop. Road conditions are light. Conditions are good. He's slowing down, speeding up, indicating to pull over, and then he's making off again doing wheelies.
Over to 557, passes been requested on 7.029. Continuation of pursuit authorised. Please assume the road ground commander of course our pursuit. Must remind his obligations under OPP code of practice for pursuit driving. Please ensure activated your in-car camera body over there. Please confirm the disclosure.
Yes, camera is on. We just come to the Golden roundabout. Speed is 20. Still failing to stop and he's refusing to pull over. I'm assuming he's going to go on to the one south. So we can get something south of me at the moment. We're doing a resit. It's not 1, not 2. It's not. He's taken the Donnelly's, turned down to Donnelly's dead end. If we can get a unit towards Donnelly's, please. And that's the roundabout at Flaxby. Yes, please. I think he's still going to make off, so I can get some units to close off the roundabout with the Stinger.